today I'm going to be showing you the haul that I got from Five Below. Now, it's not a very big haul. I only got like 3 things, but I thought it would be fun to make a video where I give them a ratings too. And if you haven't seen why my thumb is in a splint, go see my last video. I was reading a book, Curious George and Makes Pancakes, and I explained why my thumb is in a splint. So, and how it happened. Okay, now that we're all here, that you already watched it today, so my first item, I got a bone box, or like snapper. I'm sorry, this tag. Okay. So, that's the first item. Now at the end, I'm probably going to be writing. No, take that back. I'm going to be writing them after I show you them. Okay. So I'm gonna cut this off. The scissors are not part of it. I'm just cutting the tags off with the scissors. Okay. So it's this little popper. It's a little, it shows up way darker than it actually is. It's all like pastel. So there's white, this is light. So it's supposed to be like a coffee, I think, shape. The second thing I got, oh wait, the snapping's actually pretty good on this. Sometimes it gets stuck, but I will rate this 0 out of 10. I would rate this probably a 9 because it just sometimes gets stuck like that. So yeah, and it's like pretty good and it feels really cool. This was the last one in this color, so I'm glad I got it. Second thing, this is a mesh squeeze ball. I'm going to cut off the tag because I'm not returning this. I got these all from Five Below. Here's the bag. It has little blue things in it. It's really cool. It squeezes well. I will give this fidget a 10 out of 10. Now, next thing, I got 3 pop tubes. These might be giants. These might be the giant, I think. I think these might be the giants. Leave comments down below. Or these might be the normals. I didn't get the tinies. So yeah. Now I got a yellow pop tube, a blue pop tube, and a pink pop tube. This came in a 3-pack at Five Below. If you want to find these, these, I'm pretty sure the Five Below we go to is in Grand Ledge. So you can go maybe all Five Below. I don't know if all Five Belows have pop tubes, but you could check at your Five Below. Leave it in the comments if you can. If you have, well, if your Five Below has pop tubes. Now I did explain this in the last video that I made. I will be giving out merch. Well, we'll have to figure out how, but we're gonna set up a merch website when I hit 100 subscribers, because I'm not there yet. So yeah, I love these because you can like connect them. There. Cool. So yeah, if you haven't, so get me there, please. It stretches long. I mean, some of the areas don't pop, but like, stretches long. You can't tell how long this is in this picture. This is around, it's bigger than my head, literally. So. I'm pretty sure this is just a normal. Five Below. These were, I will tell you the price of this. So leave a guess in the comments how much I spent on all this at Five Below. You will be surprised. Now, I love all these pop tubes. I'm probably going to give this, oh, did I give it? Yeah, 10 star. Okay. I'm going to give this these pop tubes, a 9 out of 10. Now the only thing why is I gave it a 9 out of 10 is because it's not the best quality ever, but you're not gonna really get the best quality Fidgets at Five Below. So if you want to know how much I spent on these, I have the receipt right here. This has nothing on the back. Okay. I spent $8.75. Okay, cause this was $4. This, wait. That's strange. Oh, okay. This was $1. And these were $3.25. Sales tax. And the tax was 50 cents. So it's $8.75. We got this many fidgets for $8. So yeah, I'm gonna put them all in that in the 5 below bag. If you want to see more of these videos, smash that like button, turn on notifications, give a huge thumbs up. So, also, we have some fidget. I don't think this is this is not a squishmallow, this is a mash, but it looks like a squishmallow. I do have a true squishmallow behind me. That's holding you guys up. This is a giant squishmallow. This is a fox. It's all turquoise. It had a little tail that's been through a lot. He had his tail cut open. Well, it wasn't cut open, but it ripped open, so I had to sew it. If my camera will focus. It's not focusing. Okay, but yes, I love this squishmallow. So yeah, if you want to see more videos like that, smash that subscribe button, turn on notifications, give a huge thumbs up. See you all on the next one. Peace.